This is how much money I made with my Amazon KDP business for the month of May 2023. And therefore, welcome back on my YouTube channel where I talk about self-publishing with Amazon KDP and where I want to help you to earn money online. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and, very important, leave a comment down below how your Amazon KDP performed over the last month. I'm very interested in your comments. As I mentioned in today's video, I want to show you exactly how many books I have sold over the last month. We will compare the last month to the previous month of April. Of course, we will have a closer look at the royalties for the last month. And very important, we take a deep look at my ad spend. So as you already know, the royalties are not pure profit, and you have to subtract the ad spend from your royalties and that you have the final results for the profit. So let us don't waste any more time and jump right on my screen into my Amazon KDP dashboard. Right now we are at my Amazon KDP dashboard in the order section, and as you can see, I was able to sell 736 books over the last month of May. The good thing, I am very consistent in my sales. As you can see, I am selling at least 10 books every single day, and you have the typical waveform in your orders section. And the very good thing, as you can see, on the 25th of May and at the last 2 days of May, there was a bulk order where I was able to sell over 40 books at a single day. Let us do a little comparison here to the month of April. In April, I sold 701 books. The last month, May, 736 books. So this is an increase of almost 5%. Now, the most important thing, how many royalties did I make over the last month? And as you can see, I made with my books 4,396 euros and 12 cents. Again, very consistent. If I do a little recap, I am now in my 4th month where I make consistent royalties over 4,000 euros. So I'm very pleased with this result again. And the last week of May was good. As you can see, I made over 250 euros in royalties. Again, compared to the month of April, where I made 4,194 euros, this is an increase of 4.8%. So that's my royalties for the month of May. But as you already know, I do Amazon advertising, so we have to take a closer look on the ad spend for the month of May and subtract the ad spend from my royalties. So again, I made 4,396 euros. On the German marketplace, May ad spend was 1,088 euros. On the American marketplace, 33 euros and 32 cents. France marketplace, 286 euros. And the last, the Spanish marketplace, 45 euros and 20 cents, leaves me with a nice profit for May of 2,945 euros. So almost 3,000 euros in pure profits. If we compare it to the last month, to April, in April I made a profit of 2,600 euros. So this is an increase of 12.3%. The reason for this increase is simple. In the last month, so at the beginning of the last month of May, I optimized my Amazon advertising campaigns. So everything that don't perform very well, I decreased my bids. Everything that works really good, I increased my bids. So at total, I was more profit and my ad spend was lower than the month before. And this is the reason why my profits increased by almost 13%. So now we are at the end of the video. I hope you like it. As you already know, I make those income reports to motivate you guys because we started all at the same point. In the first months, we made $10 in royalties or $20 in royalties. And with my income reports, I want to show you guys what is possible on Amazon KDP if you put consistent work in your online business, and then you will achieve the same amount of royalties and profits like me. So thanks again for watching this video. If you liked it, put a thumbs up on it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment section down below how your Amazon KDP business worked for May. There's nothing more about to say. I wish you a very good day and we will see you in the next video.